What's up everyone, it's EGP Mutai here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on freelance tech and business. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply for tenders on EGP Kenya portal. Stay tuned.
EGP Mutai, a legend in the making. EGP, where the future is breaking. Come and join the journey, don't you miss a thing. The world's at his feet, hear the freedom ring.
If you're new on this channel, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on jepchonyi.com to learn more. Now let's get right into today's video. To get started, log into your EGP Kenya account on egpkenya.go.ke. Sign up if you don't have an account yet. I have done a video on how to sign up and the link is on the description area. So let's now log in by entering our username and password. You will receive an OTP via your registered phone number and email. Enter the OTP here to log in. When you log in, you'll be taken to your user dashboard here. Click on the three lines to your left to open the user menu. Scroll down to tender and click on it to open. Click on search, then open tenders. All open tenders will display. Preview the list of the tenders to find that which fits your business industry and click on it to see the full details. To speed up your search, use the search bar on top here. Once you find the tender that suits your category, you can view the tender notice, manage tender, or download the tender document. Click on the Manage Tender to proceed. On the new window, download the tender document and read through it first before proceeding to apply. Once you've gone through the tender documents and have understood everything including the terms, come back to EGP portal and begin the process of application. Under Terms and Conditions, click on the down arrow to open. Click on Terms and Conditions and on the new window, click on I agree. Once you have accepted the terms and conditions, other tabs will open and you will start filling in. Under Prepared, you can post questions that you need clarifications regarding to the tender. Under Mandatory Evaluation Requirement, you'll have to submit all the required mandatory evaluation requirements on the list here. As you can see, this tender has 12 mandatory required documents to be uploaded. Under Tender Security, click on Submit Tender Security Issuance. On the new page, select your financial institution, then add remarks, then submit. On the bid preparation page, fill in non-financial forms and submit. Repeat the same process on the final submission page and submit. Ensure you have filled and uploaded all the required mandatory documents. And that is it on how to find and apply for tenders on EGP Kenya government portal. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on jepchonyi.com to learn more. Up until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is EGP Mutai.
EGP Mutai, a legend in the making. EGP, where the future is breaking. Come and join the journey, don't you miss a thing. The world's at his feet, hear the freedom.